Hey! In front of me is iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, you need to open device's settings and scroll down. Then pick an app that you wish to control. I will go with Maps. Then you need to choose one of those options from Allow Maps to Access section, in my case Location, and tap on the best one for you. Never ask next time or when I share while using the app or while using the app or widgets. I will go with never, so now when I click on the back button over here, as you can see, Maps no longer have access to my device's location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!